Welcome to Bacareers, Business Analysis for Beginners. How to become a business analyst. Here whatever I mentioned is based on my own experience. I feel it may help to someone who are preparing for BA and trying to get job as a business analyst. A business analyst is in charge of understanding a business's changing needs and providing technological solutions to improve its processes and systems. Thus, a business analyst is often thought of as the link between the business and IT departments. Let us discuss in detail below to understand how to become a business analyst and what are the skills needed to prove as a business analyst. How to become a business analyst. Once we got information from our friends or colleagues related to BA career, and if we decided to become a business analyst, then first question in our mind is how to become a business analyst. Then we start discussing or inquiring more about business analyst and start thinking about how to become a business analyst and what skills needed to become a business analyst. Here I am trying to give some inputs which may answer to your question how to become a business analyst. Identify skills. Before deciding to become business analyst, first identify what are the skills needed to become a business analyst and what business analyst will do on daily basis. Most of the people may think communication is very important to become business analyst. That is partially true. Communication means not only speaking in English. As business analyst, we should know what to speak and what not to speak and how to convince the stakeholders. Once you identify the skills, analyze yourself whether you are suitable for this position or not. Once you decided that you are suitable for this position, then start improving skills to become business analyst. Here we may have another question in our mind, that is how to identify skills. Nowadays we can get more business analyst blogs and videos online. We can get to know by reading business analyst blogs and watching some videos on YouTube. And go through the article what are the skills needed to become a business analyst, which is available in our website. Develop your knowledge as a business analyst. Once you decided that you are suitable for this position, then start improving skills to become a business analyst by reading business analyst related blogs and by watching videos. And you can discuss with your seniors who can help you to build your career as a business analyst. Start understand how software application will be developed and what challenges team faced during the development of the project. And start thinking as a business analyst. If you are in that situation as a business analyst, then how you will react and you will resolve the issues or problems. Domain knowledge is very important for business analyst. Example for domain knowledge: banking, insurance, finance, healthcare, telecom, etc. Domain knowledge will help you to understand client requirements easily. You may think that as a fresher, how I can get domain knowledge? Start discussing with your friends and seniors who are working on multiple domains and multiple organizations. Try to understanding by them how bank will work and how IT company will work. Most of the companies will not expect domain knowledge if you are attending interview as a fresher, but it is good to have some knowledge. You can go through the below articles to get more knowledge and idea. What BA does on his/her day-to-day life. Role of BA in a project. What is domain knowledge? What is domain knowledge and why domain knowledge is important for business analyst? Practice BA tools. Business analyst will use some prototyping tools to capture the requirements. Stakeholders can understand by seeing the prototypes what is the requirement and what client is expecting by this requirement. Tools are available in below article. What are the tools used by BA? Documents prepared by the BA during the SDLC. Prepare resume. Once you are confident, then start preparing the resume and start attending to interviews. And ensure your resume should not be a template. Change the resume as per the job description and company requirement. Before attending to any interview, read the job description carefully and prepare yourself what interviewer is expecting from you and how to answer to him. Don't worry and don't disappoint if you not answered any question. Note down the questions which you not answered and prepare well for those. Don't lose your confidence and keep attending the interviews. Read job description of business analyst. Start attending the interviews. Note down the questions. All